Ready to unlock the superpower of seamless communication by connecting your Twilio number to GoHighLevel? Let's dive straight into linking your Twilio phone number to your GoHighLevel account, step by simple step, so you can start maximizing your SMS marketing, call tracking, and automation. First, log into your Twilio account. You'll need your account SID and Auth token. These are like the keys to connecting your Twilio account. Find them on your Twilio dashboard. They're usually right there on the home page or in the account settings. Keep these handy, as we'll need to copy and paste them in the next step. Now, hop on over to your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the settings section, usually found on the left-hand menu. Look for phone numbers within the settings. This is where the magic happens. On the phone numbers page, you'll find fields to enter your Twilio account SID and Auth token. Copy and paste the information you got from your Twilio account into the corresponding fields. Double check to make sure you've entered them correctly, as any small error will prevent the integration from working. Click the Save button after pasting your Twilio account SID and Auth token to save the connection. Once saved, click the Add Number button. A list of your available Twilio numbers should appear. Select the number you want to use within GoHighLevel, and then follow the prompts to provision the number within GoHighLevel. This essentially tells GoHighLevel to start using that Twilio number for your campaigns and communications. And that's it. Your Twilio number is now successfully connected to GoHighLevel. You're now ready to start building awesome SMS campaigns, tracking your calls, and automating your marketing workflows. Enjoy the power of these two platforms working together.